A few years ago, I had the opportunity to be a guest on a show. And on that show, it was Sickle Cell Awareness Month, and the lady was bringing awareness to sickle cell. Now, today's story is not about sickle cell, so just bear with me. If you haven't had the chance to meet me before, here's my story. I am a special need mom. I've got two daughters, two beautiful young ladies who were diagnosed with sickle cell. My fourth daughter has it on the spectrum. I think that's what you say. She didn't have it easy. In our lifetime, she's only 20. She's had 9 strokes in total. And so, being a guest on this show, the lady was asking me a series of questions about how I still go on with life, still smiling and looking like there's nothing going on in my own life. But yes, that's life, isn't it? So, here was a question. If you could do it over, what would you change in your life? And I know, like you, maybe your story is not like mine. Maybe you don't have sickle cell children. Maybe you don't have that much of a challenge like I've had. And that's a story for another day, trust me. But here's the thing. Every single one of us are going through our own challenges. The name is just different. Because life throws things at us every day. So answer the question, if you could do it over, what would you change in your life? Here's my response. There is nothing I want to change in my life. Yes, absolutely nothing. Tony Robbins says that life is happening for us, not to us. When we have that understanding that what you're going through in life, 1, you are not alone. 2, you're not the only person. 3, it's in your life for a reason. It gives us the opportunity to open our eyes to see the challenges is not here to kill you. If it was here to kill you, you won't be here watching this video. You'll be long dead. But you see, in every challenges is an equal opportunity. In every challenges is an equal blessing. You just need to remove your eyes from my life is not working to what's the opportunity in my challenges. I embrace that Tony Robbins quote that says life is happening for you, not to you. It gave me the opportunity as a mom to see the opportunity in my own challenges. Hence why I'm standing here today and sharing my life, my journey, my experience with you. Everything in your life has an equal opportunity. Every challenges that you're going through, I know my mother would say, I'm a Nigerian by the way, my mother would say, Taban sukun ariran. Even when we're crying, we can still see. We just need to open our eyes. If you can open your eyes in your challenges, you can see the blessing in it. Not only am I mother with special need kids, I also own my own business. So there's so much going on already in my own life, but it's an opportunity. So for you, I want to say today, it doesn't matter what you're going through. I want you to open your eyes and see the opportunity that is in your challenges. Also, you need to remember that you are not dead yet. You're alive. So as a business owner, even when you're going through the challenges in business, find the opportunity in your challenges. Number 1, life is happening for you, not to you. Number 2, your journey is as important as your destination. You need to take care of yourself. In the midst of challenges, take the time out to breathe, to meditate, to reset, to restore yourself. You cannot serve people as an entrepreneur from an empty saucer. You can't even serve people in your own home from an empty saucer. You need to remember that you are the center of everything. Yes, you are the center of everything. If you're gone, you're gone. I think that's my new slogan. If you're gone, you're gone. So don't be gone. Don't die with your song still playing on your inside. Take the time out for yourself and look after yourself. Ask for help if you need it. That's my number 3. If you need help as a business owner or just as a parent who is trying to figure out what your life is, figuring out what you need to see in your challenges, it's okay to ask for help. Look for the right people around you to help you in your journey. Number 4, breathe. It's okay to breathe. It's okay to close your eyes and pause, but don't quit. Don't quit on yourself. Don't quit on your dreams. Don't quit on your goals. I say that when we take the time to breathe, we unlock a different window in our life. You know how you open a Johari window, you'd be like, oh my God, I didn't know I could do that. That only happens to us when we take the time to breathe, so that then we can step forward and go into a new dimension on your journey. Number 5, happiness is a choice. People tell all kind of horrible stories when they are going through their challenges. But if you make the choice to be happy, if you take the time to say, you know what, nobody owes me anything, my happiness depends on me. Happiness is a choice. You have to make the choice to give yourself the joy, the laughter. Like I said, you can't serve people from an empty saucer. They say that joy will coalesce from the inside out. And in order to do that, you have to make the choice that you are going to make you a non-negotiable. You are going to be happy no matter what. You're going to create the environment that brings joy to you. As a special need mom, those are the tips that I have used over the years. Even though I'm the first person many of my friends call when they have challenges, I have an amazing shock absorber. I don't even know how I go through it and I'm still standing. But here's the thing. It's okay to ask for help. It's okay to take time to breathe. It's okay. It's okay to not quit. If you feel like quitting, take the time to rest. We rest, we don't quit. And finally, make you a priority. Make you the center of your own gravity. See, nobody will look after you the way you look after yourself. Take the time to look after you. So, is there anything on my journey that I would change? The answer is no. If I change anything in my equation, you won't be watching this video. I won't have the experience that backed me up till now. I won't have the story to tell because I know that story connects us. Yes, when we know that we have one or two things in common, there's a connection that comes to that. No, my equation is okay the way it is. Your equation is okay the way it is. Your life is perfect just as it is. Don't change it for anyone. Don't change it for anything. Don't remove anything from your equation. And don't ever have regrets on all the things that come your way, because they are here to build you and not destroy you. Thank you so much for joining me on today's journey. If you have by any chance enjoyed this or connect with me in any form, do me a favor, like this video, share it, and yes, press the bell so that you don't miss the stories that I'm beginning to tell, because I've got a lot to share with you. You are suited for success.